Hey Ken, what's up?
All right, pump, the soap pump that I'm going to be installing. They put this finish coat on it that looks really nice, but they tell you to be real careful. Don't scratch it, and be careful about the soaps you put on it. Nothing abrasive. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking my polyurethane and I'm coating it. This is about my third or fourth, about my fourth coat now, and I'm going to show you this up close and personal here in just a second. But it really, the more coats you put on it, the deeper it looks, just like on a car, the deeper that paint looks. And this clear coat will last for years to come. And next year, this should look as good as it does now. Um, so let me show you. I mean, this is factory. This looks like you factory sprayed it. All right. Now I'm going to show you here.
Yeah.
All right, you see how nice that looks. All right, this is really worth your time to do. And you can spray poly on anything. I have a few videos where I've sprayed my switch plates, custom colored them, custom painted them with some car paint, enamel paint, and then clear coated them with the polyurethane. And auto body clear coat is basically polyurethane. It's just better materials and a little more heavy duty, but it's basically the same. Clear coat is polyurethane is a plastic, and that's what most people don't know. All right,